What's more mysterious than a huge red beach? We don't know, but we'll tell you all about it. Imagine standing on the edge of the sea. You're looking out at the shoreline, but it's not painted in golden sand or blue water. It's glowing in a deep, almost surreal shade of crimson. It sounds like a fantasy, but it's the shocking reality of China's red beach. Every year, more than 2 million people go there to see it. They flock to this place to see the world's largest area of red algae. But behind the beauty of this natural wonder lies a story of science, survival, and mystery. Welcome to our channel. And today we'll take you to explore the most amazing red beach in the world. A beach unlike any other. First off, let's talk about the beach itself. It's located near the city of Panjin, in northeastern China. This area is famous for its beautiful wetlands along the Liao River Delta. That's where the red beach is situated. It stretches over a vast area, and each year it draws thousands of visitors who want to see this amazing spectacle. Now here's the thing. It's not your typical beach, with white sand and crystal clear waters. Instead, the red beach is covered with a type of plant called Suaeda salsa. This plant turns the whole beach a brilliant red color. Yep, you heard that right. A red beach. It looks almost unreal, like someone spilled red paint all over it. It's so unusual that people wonder if it's real or fake. But trust us, it is 100% real, and it is one of the most incredible places you should visit at least once in your life. At first sight, you might think something strange is going on. Maybe there's a mineral in the soil or an algae bloom in the water, but none of those things are causing the red color. It's all thanks to that plant we mentioned earlier, the Suaeda salsa. These plants are part of a larger group of plants called halophytes. They've adapted to live in salty environments like coastal areas and salt marshes, and boy, do they do it in style. The red color comes from pigments called beta-cyanins. They're the same compounds that give beets their vibrant red color. These pigments help the plant survive in harsh conditions, especially when there's a lot of salt in the soil. Basically, it's the plant's way of protecting itself. So the red color isn't just for show. It's a sign that the plant is thriving in an environment that most plants would die in. The red beach isn't just a pretty sight. It's a super important ecosystem. All those plants provide a home for all kinds of animals, especially birds. It is a perfect place for them to live, since it offers plenty of food and a safe place to raise their babies. One of the rarest birds that live there is the red-crowned crane. It's a large bird that's only found in a few places in East Asia. Seeing these graceful birds in their natural habitat is a real treat. The wetlands of the red beach are also home to lots of fish. Many of these fish species rely on the plants and algae for food and shelter. Some of them even use the beach as a place to lay their eggs. Now, you might be wondering why the beach is red only during certain times of the year. Well, here's the deal. During the growing season, the plants look pretty much like any other green plant. But as autumn approaches, things start to change. The plants begin to accumulate those red pigments, turning the whole beach into a sea of red. It's like nature's way of putting on a show, and trust us, it's a sight you won't forget. You may be thinking, how did such a strange and beautiful place come to be? Well, the red beach was formed over thousands of years as a result of natural processes. Let's break it down for you. First, we've got the soil. It's rich in minerals and salts, which makes it super challenging for most plants to survive. But fear not, because the Suaeda salsa is up for the challenge. It's a halophyte, meaning it's specially adapted to thrive in salty environments. So while other plants might struggle, this little guy is living its best life. But that's not all. The soil also has a unique composition of organic matter and nutrients that help the Suaeda salsa grow and flourish. It's like the plant's own personal buffet. Now, add in the specific climate of the region, including temperature, rainfall, and sunshine, and you've got the perfect recipe for a thriving red beach ecosystem. The climate is mild with warm summers and cool winters, providing ideal conditions for the Suaeda salsa to grow and produce its signature red pigment. Plus, the regular rainfall helps to replenish the soil with fresh water, creating the perfect balance of salt and minerals needed for the plants to thrive. It's a delicate balance, but it works, and the result is simply breathtaking. As the Suaeda salsa grows and flourishes, it creates a dense carpet of red that covers the beach. This unique ecosystem becomes a haven for wildlife, providing food and shelter for birds, fish, and other animals. It's a thriving community of life, all thanks to a single plant that's perfectly adapted to its environment. One of the most fascinating aspects of the red beach is the variety of wildlife it supports. From birds to fish and everything in between, the beach is a bustling hub of activity. Let's take the birds for example. The red beach is home to a wide variety of bird species, including herons, egrets, and the rare red-crowned crane. These birds rely on the beach for food and shelter, and they play an important role in maintaining the health of the ecosystem. Then there are the fish. The shallow waters of the red beach are home to a variety of fish species, including carp and catfish. These fish feed on the insects and other small creatures that live in the beach ecosystem, and they in turn become food for larger animals, such as birds and mammals. Overall, the red beach is a thriving ecosystem that supports a wide variety of plant and animal life. The unique combination of soil, climate, and water creates the perfect conditions for a diverse range of species to thrive. making it a true natural wonder. The Red Beach is a place of scientific importance. It's a chance to learn about the amazing ways that plants and animals adapt to their environments. The Suaeda salsa is a prime example of this. It's a halophyte, a type of plant that's specifically adapted to survive in salty environments. By studying the Suaeda, salsa, and other halophytes, scientists can learn more about how plants adapt to different environments, and that knowledge could be used to develop new strategies for growing crops in areas with poor soil quality or changing climate conditions. The Red Beach is also home to a variety of other plants and animals that are adapted to the unique conditions of the ecosystem. By studying these organisms, scientists can gain a better understanding of the complex interactions that take place in the beach ecosystem and learn more about the factors that contribute to the formation of such a unique habitat. The Red Beach is not only a place of scientific importance, but also a reminder of the need for conservation. The delicate balance of the beach ecosystem is threatened by human activities such as pollution and overfishing. By protecting the Red Beach and its inhabitants, we can ensure that this unique ecosystem continues to thrive for generations to come. The Red Beach is a place of mystery. There's still so much that we don't know about this amazing natural wonder. For example, scientists are still trying to understand how the Suaeda salsa produces its signature red pigment, and they're also working to unlock the secrets of the plant's ability to survive in salty environments. There are also a lot of unknowns about the fish and other animals that live in the Red Beach ecosystem. Scientists are still trying to identify all of the species that live there, and they're also working to understand the roles that these animals play in the ecosystem. The Red Beach is also a place of legend and folklore. According to local legends, the Red Beach was created by a magical being that was trying to help the people who lived nearby. Others say that the Red Beach is the home of a mythical creature that guards the area. Whether or not these legends are true, they add a sense of mystery and intrigue to the Red Beach that makes it even more fascinating. If you're planning a trip to China, then make sure to add the Red Beach to your list of must-see destinations. It's an experience that you won't forget. Just make sure to plan ahead because getting to the beach can be a bit of a journey. It's located in the northeastern part of China, so you'll need to fly to a nearby city like Beijing or Shanghai. From there, you can take a train or hire a car to get to the Red Beach. The journey itself can be an adventure, allowing you to experience more of Chinese culture and landscape. When you arrive at the Red Beach, you'll be greeted by a sight that will take your breath away. The stunning red color of the beach is truly a sight to behold, and you'll definitely want to snap some pictures to share with your friends back home. Just be respectful of the environment and stay on the designated paths to protect the fragile ecosystem. Once you've had your fill of the beach, you can head back home with some amazing memories and stunning photos to show off. Alright folks, that's a wrap on today's episode. We hope you enjoyed learning about the amazing Red Beach in China. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more epic stories and adventures. And hey, if you've got a burning question or a fascinating story to share, drop it in the comments below. Who knows, your input might just spark the next mind-blowing episode. Until next time, stay curious, stay adventurous, and keep exploring the world's hidden wonders. Thanks for tuning in. We'll catch you later.